I'm so unstable in this chair today. But anyway, hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Rachel, and in today's video, I'm going to be doing another hair tutorial. I'm going to be honest with you guys, every time I do these hair things, it's genuinely because I need to do my hair, and then I go, why not film it? So that's why I still have my bonnet on. But yeah, so honestly, I don't really know what I'm gonna be doing today. I just know like one portion of what I want my hair to look like, kinda. I think it's gonna be in a bun, I'm pretty sure. But honestly, I'm just winging it because I just want to see different styles that I can do. So yeah. And my hair is clean, but when I braid my hair, I use a ton of gel. And when I use a ton of gel, it flakes off. If you see flakes in my hair, I swear I'm not dirty. I swear. Also, I got a new nose piercing. How do you guys like it? First step in this whole thing, because it's the only thing I know that I'm gonna do with my hair, we're gonna part this front section, kinda like that. Is that good? Because I like to have like the nice little curly tendrils or whatever, but this hair, unless I braid it or something, it is not going to look good natural, just hanging around. So I'm gonna have to braid it. We'll just part it equally on the other side. Now that we have our two little sections in the front of our hair, we tie back the rest and we are going to braid this. Going to cornrow it. I ran out of edge control, so I have to use Eco Style or gel, even though I don't like to do that when I braid, but I don't think in this case it really matters, so. And then you get to braiding, people. Now I'm gonna tie it off with an ugly rubber band because my hair has an issue curling, so it's not like I can, you know, the ends. If I really wanted to make it look pretty, I guess I could kind of like put some beads on the end. So if you want to do that, go for it, but I'm lazy, so that's not happening. So this is how the first one looks. Of course, do the other side. So we are done with those two. This is the part where I'm gonna figure out what I wanna do next. I'm gonna be a little bit basic and do what I usually do. So I'm gonna go about to the center of my head, kind of almost where I want my bun to sit. Yeah, so I'm gonna go from where I stopped the part here, go straight up. You're gonna create yourself like a nice rectangle. You're gonna create yourself like a nice rectangle. Once you do that, you're just gonna braid straight back. Pretty self-explanatory. So that's how this braid looks. And now we're just gonna do the other side. Okay, so I'm done with these two braids. Now I've come to the conclusion that I want to incorporate some rubber bands. The thing about it is that, so when it comes to rubber band hairstyles, they're nice and all, it's just I don't wear a bunch of colors, so I don't usually get colorful rubber bands, and I don't have any rubber bands that aren't black. So it's not gonna have like that nice pop of color, but it'll be something, and I kind of just want a little extra more to do with the bun. So what we're going to do is we're gonna part like a little box. So we have like a small box, and then you're gonna part that into 4 equal sections. Once you've parted your section in half this way, then you're gonna just do it in the opposite direction, creating 4 equal parts. Gel it up, and then you're gonna secure it with a rubber band. So now that we have our 2 sections here, we're just gonna cross them and secure them to the sections behind them, or across from them. I'm just gonna twist this up a little bit too. And this is what we have. So now, of course, what we're gonna do is repeat it on the other side, and then I will see you when I'm done. Okay, so now we have both sides of our hair done. And now all that's left to do is spray it up, because I hate wearing braid outs in buns because my ends are straight every time, which is not cute to be hanging out of the bun. I'm taking some of this leave-in, putting it throughout my head to give my hair some moisture. Also, by the way, this hairstyle is super versatile, so you could probably wear it up in a ponytail, you could wear it up in a bun, you could wear it up half up, half down. So I'm gonna get a few styles out of my hair for the next few days. Okay, so my hair completely soaked. So now what we're gonna do is just put it up in a bun. But pretty much I just put in a messy bun. I usually would wait and diffuse my hair because it's soaking wet. And in order to get like a nice full look in my bun, I should probably diffuse it. But I need to finish my hair now. So also left a little bit of space right here just to pull out some little hair to frame my face a little bit. So I'm just gonna put my hair up in a ponytail first, just so that my hair is secure. Then I'm gonna just pretty much ball up my hair. Try to leave out some nice curls. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is pretty much the hairstyle. I love this, and I was pretty much just winging it. Despite these ugly ends, I think this is a really nice hairstyle. Like I said, half up, half down, bun, ponytail, do whatever you want. I think this hairstyle is pretty nice. If you guys enjoyed this video, which I hope you did, make sure to click the subscribe button down below and give this video a thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.